Cleanout, and this is part 1 because it's going to be 2 parts because I have too many eyeshadow palettes to do it all in one video. It'd be like a 30-minute long video. So yeah. But anyways, I'm going to move the camera over here and we're going to do the higher ones off today. So okay, so first I'm going to be starting off with this short and do all my like higher end ones. So yeah, this is what we're going to be starting off with today. So yeah. So here are all the palettes, and as you know, like I have way too many. So I'm just gonna take each one out and put it on the table, and like this is my hand talking to you guys because I cannot speak to you because I can't see you guys. But yeah, so I'm gonna get these and put them over there, and yeah. So here's all the eyeshadow palettes, and I'm just gonna go through what like the ones that I haven't really used, I'm gonna keep, or the ones that like I just don't like the colors in it, so I'm gonna get donated. So yeah. First is this Urban Decay one, and this one hasn't been used at all. So I'm gonna get rid of this Urban Decay one since we have colors like that. So goodbye. Next, I have this another Urban Decay one. And the mirror, it's like the mirror has a wrapper on it. Here's what they look like. I feel like I have colors similar to that, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. Next is the Urban Decay Beauty with an Edge palette. I'll keep that. Next is the Too Faced Peanut Butter palette. And I feel like I have those colors. Like I also really like it. They smell like chocolate. I'm gonna keep them. I'm gonna keep that for myself though. This is Totally Cute Too Faced. I wake up from makeup. So here's what it looks like. And I have ones like this, like a lot like that. But I'm gonna probably get rid of it. Even though it's so cute, like totally cute. Okay, these ones we've had forever, so I'm gonna check each one. This one I don't really like since like the colors are kind of boring, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Next one is the Natural at Night one, and here's what it looks like. I'll keep that. There's some neutral colors. Now is Naked Eye. And I feel like we don't use those colors as much, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Next is the Naked Urban Decay Flush palette. And that's not an eyeshadow palette. Next is an Urban Decay palette again. And I feel like we don't use these colors because we have similar ones to it, but I'm gonna keep the eyeliner, so. I'm gonna get rid of this. Next is the MAC Power Hungry palette. And this hasn't been used, so I'm going to keep it. Next is the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar. And I'll keep those. Next is the Bedore Eyes Eyeshadow Collection. And I feel like I don't really use those colors, so I'm not going to keep that. Next is the Natural Matte one. And these are all matte shadows, so I'm going to keep that. Next is the Cat Eyes ones. And here's what it looks like. I'm going to get rid of... I'm going to keep that one. Next is the Candy Johnson one. So I'm going to have to open that. And here's the colors. Should I keep that? I'll keep those. It's just too cute to get rid of. Next is the Tarte palette. And here's what it looks like. I'm going to get rid of this one. Next is the Urban Decay After Dark palette, and I'll keep these. Next is the Urban Decay Wizard of Oz palette, and I'm not gonna keep this. Next is the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, and here's what it looks like. And I'm not gonna keep this one. Next is this palette, which we've had forever, it seems like. And here's what it looks like. I'm gonna keep that. Next are some, these are all Too Faced and we depotted them, so I'll keep them. Next are the Urban Decay ones that we depotted, and I don't really like these colors in here, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Next I have some Morphe palettes, and we are definitely keeping these because they're so good. Next we have the Tarte Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen, and these seem like all like regular colors, but it's like the Swamp Queen one, so I don't know if I want to keep it. Because you're never going to find an eyeshadow called Sippy Sippy, or Sassy Bun, or Man Cat, or Gator Wings, or Does This Thing Really Work? So I'm going to keep it. This is Vice 2, and I don't really know. And then this is the Vice LTD. Let me open the last Vice. And here's the last Vice. We're getting rid of Vice 2. And then we have these two left. And I'm going to keep both of these. So next is the Tarte palette, and this one, it's just regular matte colors, so I'm not going to keep it. This one is the Tartette one, and here are the colors. I'm not going to keep that one either. This one's Urban Decay Moon Dust, and here's the colors. I'm going to keep that. Next, ooh, we've had this for a while. Smoky Urban Decay, or Smoked, yeah, Smoked Urban Decay, and here's the colors. I'm not going to get rid of that. Next is the Stila in the Light eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to keep that. Next is Bare Minerals, which I never, okay, we're getting rid of this. Like, this is just like too old. Next is all our Naked palettes. I'm just going to compare it with the other Nakeds. And there's Naked 2. Naked 3. Naked Smoky. And then there's Naked Heat. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to choose from. We're keeping one because my mom insisted. Now we have these. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of the smoked one. And then we have 3, and then 2, and then Heat. I like the Heat one. So I'm gonna keep the Heat one, and then there's these 2 left. I like this one. And I'm gonna keep both of these. So we only got rid of one Naked palette. Next is the Too Faced Love palette. And here's what they look like. I'm gonna get rid of this. Next is the Too Faced Peach. And here's what it looks like. But I'm gonna keep this. Next is the Too Faced Chocolate one, and I have this one. I'm gonna open the other two. So that's dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and then we have strawberry chocolate. I'm gonna get rid of that one. And I'm gonna keep both of these. So next we have the Kylie Jenner palette. And here's the we don't use those colors. So we don't really use these colors, so I'm probably gonna get rid of this. So then this says Take Me on Vacation by Kylie Jenner. And we're gonna keep that. Then we have this Kylie palette. And we're gonna keep that. Next we have Kylie's Diary. And we're gonna keep this. And then we have the Too Faced The Power of Makeup by Nikki Tutorials. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Now we have these palettes, and these are like the 120 color palettes. So here's ones from BH Cosmetics. This is the first edition. So that's the first one. There are two. And then there's that one. That's the first one. And then this is also the first edition. We have two of the same one. This one's just older. So I'll keep the newer one. I'm gonna get rid of this one. Now we have Coastal Scents. This is the 28 piece eyeshadows. And I'll keep these. Then we have the 88 Warm palette. And I'm gonna get rid of that. So, yeah. So here's all the stuff we got rid of, and then here's all the stuff that we kept. So I'm gonna like go through each pile and tell you what I kept. These are ones I got rid of. We got rid of this one. This one from BH Cosmetics. The Too Faced Power of Makeup, the Kylie Jenner palette. Love by Too Faced. Too Faced Chocolate Bar and the Milk Chocolate. The Stila one, Urban Decay Smoke. The Tartelette palette, and then the Tartelette palette. We got rid of both of them. Then we got rid of Urban Decay Vice 2. Urban Decay Naked Smoky. Bare Minerals. Urban Decay That We Needed Potted. Urban Decay Gwen Stefani. Urban Decay Wizard of Oz. All these little Too Faced ones. This Tarte palette. This Urban Decay palette. This Urban Decay palette. And this Urban Decay palette. So that's everything that we got rid of. Okay, next we kept this. We're keeping this since we have two. This Naked 3, Moon Dust, Too Faced that we depotted, Urban Decay, Too Faced, Kylie, Too Faced, Urban Decay, Tarte, Morphe, Naked, Kylie, Too Faced, Too Vice by Urban Decay, another Urban Decay, an Urban Decay, a matte, one Too Faced and one Urban Decay. Then we have a peanut butter palette by Too Faced, Too Faced, Too Faced, Too Faced. So those are all the ones I'm keeping. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Number 12. Bye!